Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Edifier headphones with MacBook. And to do this, we'll need to power on our headphones. So here's a button that you need to click and hold. Now look on the LED lamp, it should start flashing in blue. That means it's powered on. Now to enter pairing mode, you need to hold the Bluetooth button until the LED lamp changes green. Now we're in a pairing mode and we can move on to our MacBook, open Bluetooth by either finding it in the Finder or clicking on a Bluetooth sign right here. Enter Bluetooth settings. Also make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. You can try to restart it to make sure there's no bugs. Now if you scroll down in nearby devices, we should be able to find our headphones. Edifier W820NB. Click on connect. And you will also hear the sound on your headphones and you can see that they are connected. Only thing to do is to go for our sound settings and setting Edifier as the default audio source. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.